In this lesson, we'll download brushes from the Adobe website. The next part, we're going to have to find some new brushes for, because I want to put this effect on the sides of the shape, making it look distressed. Open up your brushes window. If you don't have it open, go to Window, Brushes. I've already downloaded the brushes, but I'm going to show you how to do it. I have a mega pack that has all of these crazy looking brushes in it. And at the bottom of this, I have other brushes, tech pens, dry media brushes. I'm going to show you where you can find these. At the top of the brushes panel, click on the hamburger menu and click on Get More Brushes. It will open up an Adobe page. If you're not signed into Adobe, you want to sign in. And then if you scroll down, you can see all of the brush options that you can download. Now it's up to you what you want to download. I downloaded the mega pack because I like to draw and I like to use what looks like an ink brush when I'm drawing in Photoshop. Click on the download button and it should download to your desktop or to your downloads folder. If you're signed into Adobe, you can ignore where it says free trial and buy now. It's downloaded to my desktop. It's an ABR file. If you double click on it, it will automatically load into Photoshop. This lesson will continue in the next video.